Hey everyone, today we're going to do a DIY tumbler drying rack. It is so easy. You need 3/4 inch plywood, a 5/8 inch dowel rod, a circular saw, or you could use a table saw, and you need wood glue. The reason I like to use a tumbler drying rack, especially with Crystalac tumblers, is because it dries so quickly that you can take your tumbler off your turner after about an hour, and then you can let it dry on your drying rack for a couple hours after that. So it frees up space to keep your tumblers sort of going through on the turner without taking up too much time, which allows you to work on more tumblers at once. I got all of my supplies from Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards, wherever you have local to you. You can find everything there. I like the 5/8 inch dowel rod because it allows me to use both of my tumbler arms to just quickly slide on and off of the rack. Now I have a tumbler turner that takes a PVC pipe, and I have tumbler turtles that take like a different plastic pipe that I got on Amazon that I can link my DIY turner right there. That's what that type uses. The dowel rod is small enough to just slide on and off each of those fittings. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and as always, if you're liking the content, shoot me that thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get going. So I started with my 2x2 piece of 3/4 inch plywood, and I cut it right in half. Then I took some wood glue and just spread it all around and put the other piece directly on top of the wet glue and used a couple clamps to get it nice and secure. I let this dry overnight. Then I took my 5/8 inch drill bit and drilled a bunch of holes. I marked them in advance, and I drilled out 8 holes, 3 along the edges and 2 in the middle. And then I cut my dowel rod at about 9 inches. I secured the dowel rod in each hole by using a little bit of wood glue. And then I just stuck in the rod and let it dry. You can change the size of this whole board or the length of your dowel rods to fit your space. I was only able to cut 6 out of the piece of wood that I got, so you might need 2, or adjusting the size would work too. So again, I love it because it fits right on my tabletop. The cups are spaced out enough, and I can grab each cup and just slide it on and off without having to do any screwing in. It just makes it really easy. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and see me for the next DIY.